Hi, I'm Sean Orr. Welcome to Compressed Air Systems. Compressed Air Systems has been selling Atlas Copco equipment for years, and as of June 11th, we are now part of Atlas Copco, and we're very excited to join the team. Compressed Air Systems has sold systems all over North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. We are going to continue to service those systems with the same great staff of technicians and inside tech support people. But now we're backed up by a team of 40,000 other Atlas Copco employees worldwide. We've partnered with Atlas Copco for a number of reasons. We have access to the best products available. We have access to increased levels of support. It will speed up our digital transformation. Plus, it will take our customer support to the next level. As a branch of Atlas Copco, Compressed Air Systems looks forward to servicing you long into the future.